Basic Super 40s then. Wow, and they brand new. Brand new, untouched. Y'all don't worry about the dust, y'all. Just know that they brand new out the box. What's going on, grad schoolers? Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Now, I've been speaking to the giveaway winner for about like a month and a half. Whenever I did the giveaway, and I reached out to him and tried to get him the Flowmasters or whatever. And you know what I'm saying? Pretty solid dude, man. 2 on 24s, man. He out there in Phoenix, Arizona. So definitely a solid person, man. We've been shopping and everything like that. And so he sent me the video after he received the Flowmaster 44s or whatever. He did a video of an unboxing of them. So he sent me that footage, so I decided to go ahead and throw that in the video so that y'all could see him doing the unboxing of Flowmaster 44s and the giveaway that I did. Super solid dude, man. Run over to his channel, go check him out. It's 2 on 24s. You'll see it in the video. Like I said, man, super solid dude. I want to do more things like this throughout the year. 2023, one of my big goals was to just give shout outs wherever shout outs are due, you know what I'm saying, as much as possible this year, just because, you know, if I can get somebody some type of exposure or anything like that, then, you know, I'm all for it. That's solid. That's how we all, you know what I'm saying, Tuna, I was kind of talking about it a little bit earlier, and that's just how we all grow, you know what I'm saying, it's just exposure, you know what I'm saying. I may, you know, not be on somebody's radar, and somebody that, you know, like I rock with is talking about me or whatever like that, and you know, I end up on somebody's radar or vice versa, you know. So I really want to be able to do a lot of this throughout 2023. I just want to, you know, like, you know, put you guys on the channel however I can. If that's y'all sending me videos, if that's a collab, you know, something like that, it doesn't even matter, man. But anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. I know it's a little bit different of a video, but I definitely wanted to make sure that Toon was able to show his unboxing process and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, because it was a super solid process, you know, like I said, I had the Flowmasters and I decided to do a giveaway, and I do want to do more giveaways and stuff like that. I definitely want to get one of y'all a Dakota or an Autometer or something like that. That would be dope. And, you know, just keep on blessing y'all as much as I possibly can, man. I'm only one guy, but hey, it is what it is, you know. That's how the world goes around. At least that's how I believe it goes around, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm not going to chop it with y'all too long. I want to give Toon, you know what I'm saying, the opportunity to do his thing and do the unboxing and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, before we jump into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And let's go ahead and jump into it.
Hey! All right, y'all. This is a good day. I'm bringing some good energy, man. It's been a long week for me. It's been tough, but I'm excited right now. I got a lot of stuff right here I'm about to show y'all. So first off, let me start off with, I got a bunch of shout outs, so I ain't trying to forget nobody. First of all, shout out to my brother, Mike Will, for holding it down on the packs, man. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that, because, man, you know how that go. That's a lot. You're right, bro. That was a lot. He also my cameraman today.
Yes,
so y'all shout him out, BBody Dreams. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. It's on the channel. Y'all go keep checking it out. We're going to keep running that up, because it ain't over for me and it ain't over for him. We still rolling. Shout out to Grind School. Shout out to Grind School out there in Denver, Colorado. Those raffle giveaways, they legit, man. I didn't think they was legit. I shelled out some money a couple times, and I lost. But if you win, you really win. You know what I'm saying? And this one was a free raffle. He was going off of comments, the comment section. So I watched his video. The spin wheel was spinning, and it really selected my name. He really hit me up. He hit me on Instagram, and he hit me on YouTube. So y'all go check his channel out. It's called Grind School on YouTube. Same way I think is his Instagram page, Grind School 1. I think it's like _1 or something like that. But y'all look through my page, y'all see y'all see some of his stuff. I'm gonna post him up on there, and y'all can go off my hashtag and catch up with him. Out of Denver, Colorado. I want some Super 40 exhaust Flowmasters. And He paid for the shipping. Everything was legit. All he said was, bro, give me your address and I'm going to send it to you. No BS. He sent me the tracking number. Everything was legit. Now, as far as these cars go, I'm sure they are legit. I know one person that did win a whole car. He is in Las Vegas, Nevada. When I get up there, we're going to talk about his car when I go out there. But he did win a whole car. So these raffles and giveaways are legit. Y'all get in on that. And if you win, you win. If you lose, you lose. But it's all right. Most of the time, you don't spend a lot of money. Like, don't do what I did. I spent a lot of money and I lost. So take your chances and get in where you fit in, you know. But I did win a raffle. I'm going to show y'all that over there, too. That's on the prize Christmas stand right there. Shout out to my boy Blando Bands. This is his merch right here. You know what I'm saying? Not for the weak-hearted. I really ain't even studied it too much. I'm just now getting it, but it's so fresh. I just threw it on. You know what I'm saying? So y'all check that out. Not for the weak-hearted. Y'all see he got the ski masks to go with it. Nice size hoodie. You know, it's good material. It's real deal legit. So y'all check him out, man. He rap and do his thing. Good dude, man. Out of Phoenix, Arizona. He an upcoming artist. Good dude, man. So y'all want QR codes, business cards, QR codes with the scan on them, T-shirts and hoodies, and ski masks, man. Probably a bucket hat too. I want a bucket. I'm gonna see if he can make me a bucket hat. And that's what he gonna do for me. He gonna put my logo on there. Let's get back to it. Where it go? He gonna put my logo on there, and that's how we gonna run with it. Let's see. Hold on. Go back. I got you. Give her her keys. She got it. We could. My boy can chop and cut. She late for work. Let's see. Play. Okay, so y'all see it, man. Y'all keep running my channel up. Y'all keep that going. Let's see who else. Shout out to my boy Bleezy down there in BR, man. Shout out to my people in Louisiana, as always taking care of me, man. He sent me a pack. I got that in the mail, Big Bleez. Appreciate you, big dog. Little swap, little mix up in the mail or whatever, but I definitely got that. It's over there on the table. Let's see, who else? And shout out to my boy Frankie for always helping me, man. He helped me with a few of those orders on the table. Y'all know my boy Frank always behind me no matter what. Appreciate that, big bro. All right, y'all, this the giveaway box. Ooh, put him down some. This the giveaway box. Ooh, he made sure we was strapped up, didn't he? He strapped us all the way up. He double-sided tape. Damn. Denver, Colorado. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, sir. I don't even know how much these is Hot Rod Speech Parts Hall of Fame. That's how you know they legit. You know what? I really don't even know how much these cost, man. How much you think these cost by themselves, Mike?
Shit, maybe like $130
a piece. Yeah. Okay. So this
they Flowmaster Super 44s right here.
Oh, Super 44.
Super 44 series.
Oh, so these I think these are an upgrade from mine because I think I got
be real nice.
I think I got the Super 40.
It's got an aggressive sound. It's nice.
I'm gonna have to check the Flowmaster listing, but I'm pretty sure I got the just the basic Super 40s then. Wow, and they brand new, untouched. Y'all don't worry about the dust, y'all. Just know that they brand new out the box with the official copyright stamp on them boys. Yes, sir. Grind School. I'm just letting you know that I got it, man. I appreciate you, big bro. That was legit right there. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate that. I'm gonna go back on the Flowmaster list and see if I got the Super 40s, and then I'm gonna see if these is just a level higher than mine. I'm gonna check and see. And if they a level higher than mine, you know I'm about to swap them out. Cause mine's is brand new too. On my Monte Carlo. So that's the big boy box. Let's get him out the way. Let's make some space.
All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed, man. It was something a little bit different. I wanted to go ahead and make sure that, you know, he got into the video or whatever, just because of the simple fact that, you know, we talked about it, and it just made sense so that he could, you know, explain, you know, how the giveaway went, how he felt about the situation and all that type of stuff. So anyways, man, it was nothing too crazy today. Just wanted to, you know, let Toon talk about, you know, what he thought about the giveaway. But anyways, man, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. Always remember, work hard so you can live free.